Hi there, and welcome to this unboxing. This is going to be a Mono M80 guitar case, which should look like that, or that, if it's up that way. Let's hope so. Let's open it up. Okay, so we'll open this up. It is a classic electric guitar case in black, M80 EGBLK. So let's open it up, see what we've got. Let's open that there, put that there. And there we are, there's the case. Okay, so this is the case. Let's do the important bit first, which is have a look at the inside. Feels very solid. And the zip goes all the way around, and it opens up. Bit of fluff there. And feels very strong. This is the headlock system that moulds to the shape of the head of your body, the head of the guitar, sorry, head of the body. And then at this end somewhere, you can put your keys on there, and there's all sorts of slots and places to put important things. Down here, this opens up, and there's a packet there, and there's various other, actually that's just one big place there to put your stuff. Right, let's try a guitar. And the guitar we're going to try is the one that we bought the case for, which is a Epiphone 339 in Pelham blue. And let's have a look and see how this goes in here. There's a space down in here for the strap connector, and that sits in there nicely. And I'm sure I can fit the strap to go round it if I work at that. There we are. That's nice. There's about, ooh, actually that's not a bad fit. That's quite a good fit. That's tighter than I thought it was going to be, so that's going to be more secure. The neck needs to go through the middle of that block. And then this Velcro needs to come over to fit, and that holds that secure, and it holds the headstock above the base of the case, so it doesn't get, the headstock doesn't get stressed when you move it around. And that looks pretty good. That's quite good there. Let's pull that in a bit tighter. And that's nice and secure there. And let's zip that up. Let's see, because the 339 is of course quite thick compared to some guitars. So let's try this. And there we are, it's in there. and I have to say that feels like it's not going to move. That's quite a lot of support all the way around. Particularly the case has got these rubber grip things there to protect the bass, and it's also got some straps on there. You can wear it over the back like a rucksack if you want, and that feels really very good. Right, the next guitar we're going to try, because there's a couple to try, is a Squire Telecaster in Butterscotch Blonde, which is a lovely guitar. Recommend these, they're really, really good. Let's fit that down the bottom there and put the strap around, and then fit the Velcro over the top to hold it in place. I always tend to feel on these type of straps that you get too much strap and not enough Velcro, but let's see. And you can see, wow, there's some degree of space underneath there. Let's put that, make sure that's straight down there in the bottom. Let's make sure that's held there secure, and then put that over the top. Where are we? There's the zip. And there we are. Yeah, that's pretty good as well. Right, now the next guitar is a Epiphone Les Paul Studio LT Heritage Cherry Sunburst, and I have to say this case is massive for this guitar. There was a bit of space either side on the Telecaster. I mean, if you push that up to that side there, there's an inch of space there. So you could pack that out with something, but I think you need to put some extra packing around there if you were going to carry this around. This, put the strap around there and underneath there, and hold that down there. Again, there's lots of space underneath there. And let's and there we are. Goes in there as well. Bit of space, probably needs a bit of extra packing. And finally, we're going to try the fourth and last guitar, which I bought in 1984, so I've had this guitar 36 years, and it is a Yamaha 6-string acoustic. It's a FG335. I'm not sure if this is going to fit. And it doesn't. Well, no real surprise there. It was bought for the 339, not for the 335. Lots of threes. It doesn't go in. No great surprise. There we are. If you've got an acoustic, buy a different sized case. Right, so back with the 339 in it. What I would say is you need to shop around for these. They're not cheap, these cases. The place where I got the guitar from was a UK company, but if I'd have gone there for the case, it would have cost me an extra £46 on what I paid for it, because I got it from Amazon. This case was £139. At the place where I got the guitar, it was £185, £46. So I got it off Amazon, paid £1 for a week of Prime, and I ordered it yesterday and it came today. So shop around for it. Amazon currently have got these at a good price. That's it. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Hiya. Well, I've had this guitar case for about a week now, and I've had a chance to live with it and see what it's like. Generally, I think it's very good. It's tough, it's strong, holds the guitar secure. Where are we? There. This little pocket works fine. We've got strings and notebooks and things and stuff in there, so that's fine. Down inside, let's have a look. This is fine, I just put that behind there, don't need to worry about that. It holds that secure, doesn't seem to move about. It seems a bit loose, but when you put the top down, that really does make it secure and it doesn't move at all then. Inside the bag, I've got cleaning cloths. That's a pencil case I keep all the picks and the capos and stuff in. Some cables. Cable, and it does hold one of these flexible A4 files nicely in there, but it doesn't hold one of these at all. You can just about get that in there, but it's a struggle, and you struggle to do the zip up, so don't worry about that, just use one of these. So it all seems fine, apart from one thing, and that is the number of times I come along and I come to pick it up and I need a handle there and there isn't one because it's on the back. I need it on the front. If I look at this other case, which is an armadillo, that's got a case on the handle on the front, works really well. This one, it's on the back, and the reason is that Mono want you to buy the bag that goes on the front, and if they put a handle there you won't be able to fit the bag, so they can't put there, but by preference I'd much rather have the handle on the front. There we are, that's it, thanks for watching.